This is a Royal Society funded partnership grant with the West Winds Primary School and Queen's University in Belfast, looking at the biodiversity of the school grounds at West Winds, which is based in Newtownards, to the east of Belfast. Looking at quantifying the biodiversity that the children at the school find in the school grounds around them, that they see on an everyday basis. We're very lucky to have the support of the gardeners at Queen's University who have gone in and planted trees. They've planted a wildflower meadow down one side of the school grounds to enrich the biodiversity and enable the children to study it. So today we're welcoming the children from West Winds Primary School to Queen's. They're involved in a range of activities, including the Ulster Museum, conservation volunteers and Belfast City Council at the Tropical Ravine. They're looking at a range of biodiversity, nature-related activities around the University Botanic Gardens and the museum. And combined with that, we're unveiling a mural that has been developed by a local artist, Ed Reynolds, to celebrate the biodiversity that the children have been studying over the course of the last year.
West Winds, we're tremendously grateful to Queen's and to Mark for all of the work of the partnership over the last year. It's been really impactful upon us as a school. The children have loved it. We're really fortunate in that we have a big outdoor space in our school, and having Mark and some of the students along and the staff from Queen's to help us think about biodiversity in that space has been really useful and really valuable. And then today, as we come up to Queen's, we've brought the entire school, all 170 children, to Queen's to move around different activities and then to see the mural unveiling. And a key part of what we want to be doing as a school is broadening the horizons of our children. So it's been a fantastic project for us, and we've been delighted to be part of it.